Hey everybody, it's Grady here at Uncle Sweetie's Model Works. Um, still not some model work, but I'm gonna get to that this week. This is actually a mail call from the bearded guy Jeff Lawless. I won his 1,000 subscriber giveaway and won a very cool kit, and wanted to throw this shout out to him and the mail call. So the kit that he gave away, or that Ren chose, was the Rebel 64 Impala SS 2-in-1 kit. And and it's sealed, so it's brand new. Thank you very much, Jeff. I appreciate it. I'm actually pretty excited about this. I don't usually care much for unboxings because model kit, it's a model kit, it's a model kit 90% of the time. But I went on YouTube to see what was in the box because and taken away from this in no way, who doesn't have half a dozen 64 Impalas in their collection if they've got more than 10 kits in their collection? And I definitely do. I've got stock ones, I've got lowrider ones, I've got, yeah, and just you randomly pick them up. I randomly pick them up here and there. Oh, look, eBay has 10 kits for $100. Well, one of them's a 64 Impala. Anyway, I had not seen this one. I did not have this one. So I went on YouTube to look for an unboxing video to see what was in here. Because I saw somebody else mention that it was a really cool kit, but they didn't do an unboxing. So I looked it up, and so I've got to give a shout out to Dylan at NYS Modeling, or NYS Models. I can't remember for sure which it is. I'll put a tag in the title, actually, and the description, and I'll do the same for Jeff. So this has this. You can build it stock, or you can build it as a lowrider. This one has some pretty cool lowrider graphics, some pretty cool lowrider accessories. This one is going to be a lowrider. I already know, and it's not going to be done anytime soon, I don't think, but I already have a plan for this. So thank you very much, Jeff. I really am excited to have this particular 64 Impala. I appreciate it. Congratulations again on your win. My win. Yeah, never mind, not your win. The 1,000 subscriber milestone. Also, Jeff sent me a couple of extra little goodies. A couple of die casts. That one's going to be the second one. And if you don't have Jeff's shop card, that's it right there. Pretty cool tractor on the front of that sucker. Thanks for the words on the back, Jeff. And the first one is 164 scale, right? Yeah, these are, yeah, 143rd, 140 Hot Wheels are 64th. 143rd scale, so that's the big guys. Eleanor Mustang from the movie Gone in 60 Seconds. I've only seen that movie like 10 times, so thanks for that, Jeff. And this one, I like this one too. This is it the same? No, this is the front of it. All right. What year does they say? 88 Mustang GT from Ertl, also 143rd scale. So this, I have an interesting story about this car, or one like it. So, wow, a long time ago, I was probably 23, 24. I was a personal assistant to a gentleman in a wheelchair, had 24/7 care. It was my birthday, which was in February. I was the night shift caretaker. I was the sleepover guy. And when my relief came in, his name was Jimmy, and he drove 88 Mustang GT 5.0 convertible, black over white, red interior, I believe, or black interior. It's been a long time, but he came in, and I was getting, we did our thing because we overlapped to do showers and stuff like that. And he was like, "Happy birthday," and handed me his keys. I'm like, "What's this?" He says, "Take my car for the day, and don't wreck it. Bring it back when you come back to work." And so, yeah, I got to drive that 5-speed GT 5.0 convertible all day long in February. It was probably 30, 40 degrees, top down, all freaking day. Didn't care. And it was a good time. And getting this reminded me of that story. So thanks again, Jeff. I appreciate it very much. And I do have a Fox Body convertible Mustang model kit that will be that black and white car someday to remind me of that story and of all the fun and crazy things that happened in my life. So again, thanks, very generous of you, Jeff. I appreciate it. Congratulations on the 1,000 subscribers, and I thought it was pretty cool how you had Baby Ren pick the giveaway prize. Y'all know how we do on Facebook. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Leave a comment down below. I can't even really come up with a question today. Just thank everybody in the community for their generosity and their camaraderie. There you go. Leave a comment down below and shout out somebody that's been especially generous or kind or supportive to your channel or to you personally if you don't have a YouTube channel in our model car community. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. I'll see you next time. Thanks, Jeff. Appreciate it.